Hello friends, John Lee here, and today I've got the first in a series of videos that's going to teach you how to get 1 to 3 free leads every single day using Shapr, the Tinder for LinkedIn. So over the last few months I've discovered Shapr and I've used it to close almost $10,000 in business for myself, but one of my clients just used it yesterday to close a $25,000 sale within the first 10 people he talked to. So right now there's a really awesome opportunity to get free leads every single day on Shapr, and all you have to do is have a LinkedIn account. So there's 4 things you're going to need to take advantage of Shapr. The first is a LinkedIn account. The second is a smartphone. The third is Calendly or some sort of scheduling type app. Don't worry, Calendly is free. And number 4, you're going to need an Ask Me About section in your profile. So Shapr is the LinkedIn for Tinder. It basically works exactly like Tinder does, except for networking instead of hooking up. You're going to go in, you're going to put in your profile, which it will actually take a snippet of your LinkedIn profile, but I recommend you rewrite that, and you put in what I call an Ask Me About. So you'll see my Ask Me About in the next video, but the Ask Me About is basically a hook where you're going to say, ask me about X, and you want to make it really enticing. So I've used hooks like, ask me about how I can help you find $100,000 in your business. I've used hooks like, ask me about how you can use artificial intelligence to save thousands. And I've used hooks like, ask me about how I can 2 to 3 times your sales process. But obviously your Ask Me About is going to be unique to your business. So those are the 4 things you need, and in the next video I'm going to show you exactly how Shapr works with a video directly from my phone. You won't want to miss that.